guys, we got group 3. We have our PD86, the king of the track demon, winning with his side. The PD002, I don't know who you are. Golden Boy 8, just got a new fresh paint, and and the PD212, a newbie on this track. Let's see who takes it in 3, 2, 1, blast off. And the PD 212, the newbie, takes home the victory, and now we're gonna switch lanes and see who takes it. Hey guys, the PD212 will switch lanes. The PD212 has 5 points, the rest of them has 0 points. Let's see who takes it. In 3, 2, 1, blast off. Who's gonna take it? Ah, no! Wait a minute. I think guys, the PD212 completed the race, so he's going home with 10 points. The PD86, what a comeback was that! He has 3 points, and the rest of them has 0 points. Let's switch lanes and see who takes it. Okay guys, we switch lanes. The PD212 on how many points? 10 points. The PD86 on 3 points. What a race that was on PD86. He almost took that one, though he wrecked, but I don't know how he miraculously stood up. I don't understand. Now we have switched lanes. Let's see who takes it. What are you trying to set? Leave the cars alone. In 3, 2, 1, blast off. Oh, I think we all know. The PD002 came out with first place. The PD212 just stopped in front of the finish line, Golden Boy a wreck. PD86 hung on to the track, so that means the PD002 has 5 points, 2 points ahead of the PD86. The PD212 has 10 points, the Golden Boy 8 has 0 points. Let's switch lanes and see who takes it. Which one? Okay guys, now this is the final race. We're going to call this scoreboard. He has 5 points, he has 0 points, he has 10 points, and he has 3 points. So if the PD002 can take home the victory, it's going to be a draw between the PD212 and the PD002. They're going to race off, but well, we are not hoping on that. Now we have switched lanes. Final race, let's see who takes it. In 3, 2, 1, blast off. Oh, and nobody could take that one. We're gonna set them up back in the track and see who takes it. Okay guys, the final race of this competition, PD212 on the lead. We have set them up back, we have switched lanes. Let's see who takes it. In 3, 2, 1, blast off. Oh, and nobody complete the race. Nobody can complete the race. I'm gonna set them up back again and see who takes it. Guys, we set them up back again. Group 3, final race. Let's see who takes it. In 3, 2, 1, blast off. Oh! Oh my God! What a race from the PD86! Can we get a replay of that one? Oh guys, what a freaking, I don't understand how he did that, but the PD86 didn't still qualify. He had 8 points. The PD212 is going on to the next stage of the competition. He is part of the qualifier. He's the qualifier for the group 3, and the PD86 drove a good race, but he couldn't make it. The rest of them didn't make it. We have our qualifier. On to the next group. Let's go. Guys, group 4 on the track. We got the PD55 on the first lane, PD999, PD095, and the PD12. Let's see who takes it. In 3, 2, 1, blast off. And a close race. but the PD12,
he won. Look at this from here.
he actually won the race. Won the race on the PD12. As you can see, he crossed the finish line, and the rest of them couldn't even finish the race. So the PD12 has 5 points. They switch lanes and see who takes it. So guys, we switch lanes. PD12 has 5 points. The rest of them has 0 points. Let's see who takes it. In 3, 2, 1, blast off. Hey! The PD12 takes home the victory once again. A better finish. I don't know how this guy is doing it. He just crossed the finish line by a little bit. And now this guy is doing it, so now he has 10 points. The rest of them has 0 points. It's PD12 is an amazing racer. Let's switch lanes and see who takes it. Okay guys, the third race. PD12 has 10 points. What an amazing race. I don't know if this guy is going to keep winning, but I hope it's not like this. I want a clean finish. Let's see who takes it. In 3, 2, 1, blast off. Once again, wow.
Guys, you notice this? Each of them have the same pattern on their back.
I don't know what you're talking about. Oh, okay, once again, the PD12 a narrow finish to the finish line. What a win for him. He has 15 points, the rest of them have 0 points. Nobody could even make it apart from him. They're gonna switch lanes and let's see if this guy can take it all around there. Hey guys, the final race, the PD12. He has been amazing throughout this race off. He has 15 points, the rest of them have 0 points. I don't know what to say. Let's see who takes it. In 3, 2, 1, blast off.
Yeah.
Oh! Oh, finally. But he's so late. The PD095 took that one. He has 5 points. The PD12 0, 0, 0. So the PD12, he is the last qualifier, the last random spot. He takes the last spots in the semi-finals. We got a PD57, the PD212, the PD12, and the PD88 on in the semi-finals. I'm gonna call in the semi-finals. So guys, see you till next week because this race is just amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on those post notifications so you don't miss out on any new freaking videos. And make sure you like this video, comment on this video, share it to your family and friends if you love us. We all love you all. Peace.